Building a budget PC might seem daunting, but with the right tips, it can be a straightforward and rewarding experience. Start by researching and planning your build. Define your goals. Are you looking to create a PC for gaming, work, or general use? This will help you prioritize components based on performance and cost efficiency. Select components that offer the best value for your budget. Focus on the CPU and GPU, as these will significantly impact performance. Consider previous generation models or second-hand parts for better deals. Choose a motherboard that supports future upgrades and pair it with enough RAM to handle your needs. Typically, 16 gigabytes is a good starting point for most users. Opt for a solid-state drive (SSD) for your operating system and essential applications for faster boot and load times. Supplement with a traditional hard drive if additional storage is needed. Invest in a reliable power supply with enough wattage to support your components. Choose a case that fits your style but also accommodates your hardware efficiently. With these tips in mind, you'll have a powerful, cost-effective machine in no time. Happy building!